Hi guys, my name is Irfan from smartincubator.com and welcome to another breakdown video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the trade that happened on EURUSD. To be honest with you, I took that trade, but it was a partial profit. I wanted to get out of it very quickly, and the reason was we had a really important news on USD, and this week is an NFP week. So I was kind of hesitant, do I need to take it, do I not need to take it, because it was a really interesting setup that only I saw that in the group that I'm in, and I don't know, I just was feeling different, but it worked. It could be a one-to-one trade. I closed it earlier, but I want to show you exactly what I saw and how I decided to take that trade. So without any further ado, let's get into our EURUSD chart on a 5-minute time frame, as you can see, and this is what I determined. So this is what I actually saw when I woke up in the morning. I noticed that we have a high probability order block in a 15-minute time frame. If I switch my time frame to 15 minutes, you'll see that we have a 15-minute time frame here, and a 5-minute time frame is going to be this small one right here. So they're all together. It's a really strong confluence. So I said, okay, the price is probably trying to reach this level, tap into my level, and then give me a bullish engulfing candle, and then I can take my trade. But what happened was I saw something like this. Okay, I looked left. Let me switch my time frame to 15 minutes so we can get there faster. And then I noticed that we have this high probability order block very far away, and we don't usually do that, guys, because it's too far, but we had it and it worked. We had a high probability order block exactly right here, because this is the last bullish candle after the huge drop, and then the candle after the drop never tapped into this zone. So that's why there's a gap between this zone and this candle here, and that's why this gap makes this zone a high probability supply zone, or a high probability order block, a fancy name if you want to call it. And I was just waiting for that, so either this one or this one. So as you can see, I was waiting for the price to just play around, and then after that it literally tapped into this level with a beautiful reversal candle here. But I was on a 5-minute time frame, and then I noticed that we already tapped into this level, but I was waiting for the next candle to break below the previous candle. Okay, so I took my trade somewhere around here, and I put my stop loss here, and I closed it super early because I was hesitant about it. But if I wanted to take a one-to-one trade, see what would have happened. It would be a one-to-one trade, beautiful one. But if I wanted to leave a runner, that would be dangerous, because as I said, it was far away, and also we had a news coming, and 30 minutes, 35 minutes. So I wanted to leave a runner here and the second one here, but I didn't. I just closed my profit, guys, and right now I'm in a trade on in NAS100, as you can see, on my FTMO challenge, and I show you what's happening there exactly. But here it would be a one-to-one, beautiful one-to-one trade, and then after that it literally went up and hit my stop loss. I already got a stop out from GBPJPY. I don't really like that pair because especially in New York session, it's really dangerous. I trade New York session, not London session, and I don't really like that. So that's why I'm mostly trading GBPUSD, EURUSD, NAS100, SPX sometimes, and gold, with gold incubator, of course. This is for EURUSD. So, and then after that, the price was just playing around, and it came down, and then after that it had a huge drop after stopping everybody out here. But this zone was invalid because it actually broke above the zone. So the only way you could take the trade was a one-to-one risk reward ratio trade, which was from here to here. And then after that, let me just exit the replay mode, and you see that right now the price is trying to reach this level, and then I see what happens. The same as GBPUSD, I just got an alert that GBPUSD tapped into my demand zone, which is right here exactly. See how beautiful this candle is, and then how beautiful this high probability demand zone is. But so far it's just going down. We still have time. We can't judge that the price is dropping because we still have time. It's inside the zone, it's not invalid. It probably gives us a momentum somewhere around here, or it goes up here, but if it breaks below this zone, then it's gonna be invalid. So that's why it's very important to pay attention to the zones, guys. You should never ever take invalid zones, and if you take it, it's on your own risk. And for NAS100, I want to show you why I took that trade. So NAS100 is actually this one right here. As you can see, for 8 in the morning that I woke up, we had a very bullish candle right here. Let me show you right here. See, and we had a high probability order block exactly below that. But it wasn't really high. It was a high probability order block right here that I wanted to take, but I didn't for two reasons. Look at this. We left the gap, see, from here to here. We left the gap, the price came back, tapped into this level, bullish engulfing candle, beautiful trade if I wanted to take it, but I didn't. The reason is, number one, we have a support level here with so much liquidity underneath. See, this is our support level, and there's so much liquidity underneath this level because there's so many buyers that buy here and put their stop loss here. So if I want to take a buy position here, I'll become a liquidity, which I don't want to be. The second reason is that we have so many gaps underneath. See these bullish candles that happened like 4 times in a row. These candles create a lot of gaps, and you got to be careful that when the market creates a lot of gaps, there's a high probability that the price wants to reverse at some point and fill in all those gaps that happened right here, from here to here. See, and that's why I didn't want to take it. So the reason I didn't take it was this, for 2 reasons. And then I was just waiting for the price. I got out of the market because I got busy. I don't want to wait for forever. I have a trading hour, but even right now I didn't really want to trade it. And the reason is that because I have time for, I have an hour, but let's see how this one is going to perform, because we had a high probability order block exactly right here. This is the last bullish candle, and then we have a break of a structure towards downside, and it's going up. And here we have a high probability order block. So this is our supply zone. And then after that we had a bearish engulfing candle here. So I took my position here. I actually took it here, but I closed it. I took it here initially, but when I saw that this candle after that is very, very strong, I got a better confirmation. I said, okay, I'm gonna get it later, but when I get it, it's more confirmed. And now the price is kind of playing around here. Is still valid. Even if I get a stop out, that's totally fine. I put my stop loss here, not here, so it's a very, very low risk trade, which is not going to hurt my balance at all. Is very, very low risk because I'm also using an EA for passing my FTMO challenge. So this is how it works. So I put it here. So I'm going to take let me just remove this, my first TP here and my second TP here. I could also leave a runner all the way to here because we have a high probability order block here, but I don't really want to do that. I just want to get out of it very, very quickly. It's out of my trading hour, and right now we are $33 in loss, and I put my stop loss here. But let's see what happens, guys. I just wanted to show you the trade that happened on GBPUSD, EURUSD, and also NAS100 that I'm taking right now. But before you go, let me show you the results of Goldie Incubator that happened, that happened during London session in the past 24 hours. We are up 44% in profit on our brand new account. It's $444. And if I want to show you my VPS account, it looks like this, and these colorful vertical lines are for the new optics that we had on the indicator for the news filter. And here we are, the trades that were taken during London session, the profit that we made, and this is the balance with the equity, everything. So when the London session ends, it stops trading, everything goes smoothly, and it's a very, very good one. So if you want to try it, guys, you can try it for 7 days for free. I probably removed that free trial because I just wanted to do that. It wasn't supposed to be permanently. It was a promotion that I was running for almost 2-3 weeks, but it's been a month that everybody can try it for 7 days for free. So if you want to grab your license, guys, I'm going to leave a link below in the description. Go check out smartincubator.com, grab your license, and after that, send us an email, send us your account number, then we'll manually activate your account. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you have any question, drop your comment here, and see you in the next one.